Hey guys, welcome to this video. I talk about the spreadsheet program. Uh, this is our topic, spreadsheet program. So basically, today we are going to talk about the charts in MS Excel. So let's see the charts introduction. Charts allow you to illustrate your workbook data graphically, which makes it easier to visualize comparisons and the trends. You might see maybe you're trying to create your uh, MS Excel document, but you have many data. So charts help you to organize them very well and they help to visualize the comparisons between the various variables of data. Now, the following are just types of data of charts that you can create in MS Excel. It's one pie chart, line chart, column chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart. So these are just few of the types of charts that you can create in MS Excel. Let's see how you can create the charts. To insert a chart, simply select the cells you want to be made a chart, then including the column titles and the row labels. Then these cells will be the source data for the chart. Then from the insert tab, you can click the desired chart command. Then you choose the desired chart type from the drop-down menu. Then select the chart which will be inserted in the worksheet. Now, if you are not sure which type of chart you want to use, the recommended charts command will suggest several different charts based on the source of data which you have. We'll see these how to insert a chart in an activity later on. Let's see editing charts. Starting with the chart layout and style. Now, after inserting a chart, there are several things you may want to change about the way your data is displayed. Now, it's easier to edit a chart layout and style from the design tab. Now, Excel allows you to add chart elements such as maybe chart titles, regions, and the data labels to make your chart easier to read. Now, to add such kind of chart element, click the add chart element command on the design tab, then you choose the desired element from the drop down menu. To edit a chart element like a chart title, simply double click the placeholder and begin typing. We'll see all those in the activity. Now, if you want to add charts elements individually, you can use one of the Excel's predefined layouts. Simply click the quick layout command, then you choose the desired layout from the drop down menu. Now, simply this Excel also includes several different types of chart styles which allow you to quickly modify the look and the feel of your chart. Now, to change the chart style, simply select the desired style from the chart styles groups. Then you can also use the chart formatting shortcut buttons to quickly add chart elements, change the chart style, and filter the chart data. Now, on the other options, there are many other ways to customize and to organize your charts. For example, maybe Excel allows you to rearrange the chart data, change the chart type, and even move the chart to a different location in the workbook. You'll see all these in the activity. Now, the other editing feature is to switch row and columns data. Simply select the chart you want to modify. Then from the design tab, you can select the switch row or column command. The rows and the columns will be switched. So that's simply how you can switch row and column data. Now to change the chart type, if you find that your data isn't well suited to a certain kind of chart, it's easier to switch to the new chart type. Now simply from the design tab, click the change chart type command. The change chart type dialog box will appear. There you can select a new chart type and the layout, then you click OK. Now the selected chart type will appear simply like that. Now let's see how we remove a chart. Whenever you set a new chart, it will appear as an object on the same worksheet that contains its source data. Now alternatively, you may or can move the chart to a new worksheet to help keep your data organized. Now to do that, just select the chart you want to move, click the design tab, then select the move chat command, then you move chat dialog box will appear. From there, you can select the desired location for the chat and then click OK. So the chat will appear in the selected location. For example, maybe the chat now will appear on a new worksheet. That's an example we're going to see in the activity. So that's all for this video. I will share all the theories on how you can create and set the chats and the editing of chats in MS Excel. Thank you.